This is the new Ford Transit Custom 320 MSRT, which is available at Vanaways now. If you've watched any of our past reviews, you know that this is one of my favourite vans. But this isn't your standard Transit Custom. The MSRT has taken the Ford's best-selling model and given it an aggressive, sporty upgrade with a reworked interior that is as stylish as it is functional. If sustainability is something you want to implement into your businesses, the MSRT's Eco Blue diesel engine delivers on both power and efficiency, making it a great choice for anyone. So, is this the ultimate van for those who want workhorse reliability with a touch of racing flair? Let's find out. Under the hood, drivers are met with a 2-litre Eco Blue engine on this model. And for the first time, the Ford Transit Custom MSRT is available in a variety of powertrains, including an all-electric 285 PS rear-wheel drive and a plug-in hybrid 2.5-litre 232 PS front-wheel drive. The model we're driving today has 170 PS front-wheel drive, complemented with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. With spec like this, you are going to be zipping around tight corners in urban spaces so easily, all while being able to accommodate heavy loads. In the back, we're dealing with a Ford Transit, so there's plenty of space for anything you might need. It offers up to 6.8 cubic metres of load space and a maximum payload of 1,100 kilograms. Further to this, a load height of 1.3 metres means that as well as carrying a lot, you can secure a variety of cargo in the back from small to large. The Ford Transit Custom can also be used to maximise organisation. With lashing points located all around the load bay, you can keep your cargo secure throughout the entire journey. In the cabin is where the Transit really shined. You know I am a sucker for armrests, comfy seats, a sturdy steering wheel and gorgeous interior. I love the inside of it. You've got 2 lovely front seats, you've got seats in the back for the entire family and crew, and you've got loads of storage and, of course, the infotainment system. I know I love a big screen and a quick and easy way to access Apple CarPlay. It took maybe about 10 seconds to do it all. I've got my music, I've got my maps, and I'm ready to go. As always, Ford have always got really good storage. I've got loads above here for me to quickly be able to grab. I've got a lovely little cup holder there underneath here, and I really like this one right down by my seat. I've got a little side storage here to put everything I need there, and another cup holder in the door in case I'm extra thirsty. Plenty of room. What more could I ask for? So one of the main things about this is all your extra features you have. So you've got your driving modes. That's cool. So you've got normal, eco, wow, I love this, sport, slippery, and tow and haul. Wow. Then you've also got all your driving assist. So you've got all your things, auto start, stop, hold, traction control. One of the things I know I really am going to turn down is the lane keep system. I know it can get a bit tedious with all the beeps, so you can turn the alert intensity down low just to make sure it doesn't beep every single time you do something wrong. I always like Ford's steering wheels. One of the main things I like is how easy the volume, the skipping and the controls are. They don't need to be too big, I know exactly where they are, and they are really lovely buttons to press. I do notice what I love about the steering is it's so soft to drive, turning corners and like what are they called? When I'm turning like quite sharp turns, it's so nice and smooth. And anytime I'm going over bumps, it's like I'm not going over one. The top 5 features we think you should know about the Ford Transit MSRT is: number 1, it's aggressive MSRT body kit, unique front bumper, rear diffuser extended wheel arches and side skirts. Number 2, the 19-inch OZ racing alloy wheels and sport suspension. Number 3, custom interior trim and MSRT branding. Number 4, powerful EcoBlue engine options powered by Ford's 2-litre EcoBlue diesel engines up to 170 PS. Number 5, connectivity and driver assist tech. Ford Sync 4 infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Optional driving assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and parking sensors. The Ford Transit Custom MSRT is the van that refuses to blend in. With its aggressive styling, motorsport-inspired body kit and seriously refined interior, it confidently straddles the line between practicality and performance. Whether you're a business owner looking to make a statement or someone who wants a van that offers just as much excitement as it does utility, this model delivers. From the 2-litre EcoBlue engine to the enhanced infotainment system and safety tech, every element of the MSRT feels purpose-built for the modern driver. If you're after a workhorse with race day DNA and modern day comfort, the Transit Custom MSRT might just be your next upgrade. Stylish, smart and surprisingly sporty, this van means business. Make sure to go and check out vanaways.co.uk for this van, or any others. Make sure you watch our van reviews on YouTube and follow us on socials. See you in the next review.